In this video I have 244 Magnums with rubber grips. We all know wood grips are going to give these six shooters an instant touch of class, and that's what I intend to do. In this video you're going to see me using a 3D scanner. The models come out not great, but they're good enough to help rebuild off of and use as a reference. Another fun fact, my current band supplied the soundtrack for this video, so when no one's around, crank it to 11 so the neighbors don't hear these babies.
I was a parking lot savant with a bottle in my hand. I was living the dream and I woke up just an old man, and I'm still making the same mistakes. You think with all this time I could have made a change? Crooked eyes and soaring lows, my liver sees better days, I know. My liver sees better days, I know. Why